How to see watch history on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello everyone. First, launch your Facebook application. After that, tap on your profile icon. Go to the menu bar and then scroll down, then go to settings. Scroll down and then go to your activity section. Next, go to activity log. Now, go to view events and reels. So all the reels that you have seen will appear over here. You can also go to manage interaction and see if you have liked any of the reels or videos in your Facebook account. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.